welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for November of 2022. Holy shit, I'm actually filming it in the month it came. What do you know, it is possible. Although by the time this goes up, it'll probably be December, because we're on one of the last days of the month as of filming. But anyway, so the bag looks like this. It is super freaking cute. It's textured to almost like simulate fur, like if you can see the reflect. It makes it look like the strokes of like each fur, like fur piece, each hair, I guess. Each fur piece really soft, like, oh my god, words are hard sometimes, I swear. But anyway, it's very cute. Plain little zipper pull this time, but that's alright. So, this theme is creature comforts. I love how kind of like 70s vibey this feels. So, the weather outside is getting frightful, but we've got you covered with all things delightful. Cozy up to this month's array of creature comforts, nourishing skincare, at-home treatments, and feel-good makeup for guaranteed beauty bliss. Oh good, we do have info, yes! So, first thing, didn't fit. So we have a makeup brush by Firma Beauty, and this is the 405 Precision Angled Blending Brush Pro. It's full size, obviously. $14. Ooh, that feels nice in the hand. Like, it's a little thicker than they usually are, but that feels really substantial and very nice in the hand. So, a blended base is the key to every great makeup look. With ultra soft tapered bristles, this brush helps you blend your highlighter and contour to the smallest areas. Tip: wash after use with creams to avoid streaking. Well, I think that would kind of go without saying, but I guess some people need to hear it. But anyway, does it say on it what it is? No. Okay, so I'm gonna have to just try to remember. Highlighter. Highlighter brush, self. Highlighter. Anyway. Anywho. So there's a brush. For the first time ever, we have a candle. You heard me! You freaking heard me! Dead ass, we have a candle. So, anyway, this is by Juicy Couture. Oh my god, that smells so fucking good. So, this is deluxe sample size. Full size is $35, even more than a Bath & Body Works candle, holy shit. So, this is the Juicy Couture Honeybee Candle. Excuse me. So, that's what it looks like on the tin. Take your relaxation to the next level with this stylish and divinely scented candle. The moment you light it, the delightful aroma of wild honey, creamy vanilla, and orange blossom will fill the room and your senses with a warm and unforgettable scent. Excuse me again. Tip: make sure the wax melts all the way to the edges during your first burn to avoid tunneling. Fucking thank you! This is what I have been saying! Just saying. See, now they're even starting to include that with candle instructions. So, yeah, you let that shit go out to the edges all the way before you blow it out. I knew this already. I have done this for the longest time with candles. And when it fails to, I do the tinfoil trick. But this is awfully short, so I don't think it's gonna need it. But, oh my god, that smells so fucking good. Like, I know it says, vanilla, orange blossom, and wild honey. I almost feel like there's, like, something akin to, like, a sweet melon in there, too. That smells really good. Sorry, I choked on my own spit, because I am dumb. So, this is not because of the candle. Bad timing for when it started up, but right before I hit record, I choked on my own spit, TMI, and I thought I was over it, but apparently not, so. Anyway, so that. Before we get to what it is, you tell me, does this look full to you? Yeah, that. This seems like somebody used, like, half of it. There's no foil. It's a possibility. Alright, Ipsy, you're gonna be getting a complaint this month. Anyway, so this is the Barefoot Venus Ruby Red Hand Cream. I love the artwork on it. Love the artwork. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full-size version is $10. So we can't tell you what we love most about this hand cream. The way it instantly treats dry or chafed skin with a combo of macadamia nut, sesame seed, and wheat germ oils, or the bright citrusy scent it leaves behind. Either way, it's become our go-to hand treatment. That is not what I would have assumed a ruby red scent would be, although I guess maybe like grapefruit maybe, but like... Why do I not even smell that? Well, since it doesn't even have the foil, may as well open it this way. Oh, now I smell it, okay. Yeah, there's a bit of grapefruit there. Maybe that's why they said ruby red. Anywho. Still miffed that it looks like somebody used half of it before I even got it. Well, what can you do, right? Other than complain to Ipsy Care. Then, ooh. From Benefit Cosmetics, They Are Real Magnet Mascara. Ah, shit. I am still so scared of the magnet mascara, and I don't even know why, but I am. Deluxe sample size, full size, $27. Made with tiny volumizing fibers, this high-impact mascara draws your lashes up and out, creating extreme thickness and length with just a few coats. I don't know, guys. I really am very, very iffy about the idea of any kind of magnet near my eyeballs, like... Especially with the fibers of it, I'm like... That would imply there's iron fibers. Would that not be metal? Little bits of metal getting in your eyeballs? I am just very not okay with that whole idea. I don't know. I don't know. I might resell this. I don't know. I am just so spooked by the magnet ones. And then finally... Ooh, what are you? Hey honey, ACE It Vitamin... ACE It. Or ACE It. I don't know. ACE It Vitamin Blend Hydration Enhancer. So are you a serum, or... But this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is... Jesus, $59. Nourish and hydrate your skin with this vitamin-enriched facial serum. Okay. Vitamin A helps repair your skin from environmental stressors, while vitamin C helps to brighten, tighten, and even out your complexion. Okay. Tip for dry skin, mix the serum into your favorite oil or moisturizer for an extra boost. What concerns me, though, is with vitamin C, it's not a dark bottle. Like, yeah, they went orange, but that's not particularly dark, so that seems like it's gonna oxidize like a little bitch. So I should probably keep this where I can see it. So, like, next serum that I do, since that Sweet Chef one is almost empty, maybe just, like, jump to that one. It wasn't the one I was planning on doing next, but I feel like that one's not gonna hold well, so. Anyway, that was the first bag. You know, I got the 2 regular glam bags. So, my second one, ooh, there's stuff that doesn't fit in here either. Let's see. Do we have an info? We do. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ah, shit, we get more of the magnet mascara. Well, we may as well start off with that just to set it aside. Because we're not going to read it twice. So, same one. Same color. It's just black. Anyway. The one that didn't fit in there is the Nanette Lepore Fiercely Eau de Parfum. So, this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $90. Holy shit. Light yet rich, smooth yet crisp. It awakens your senses with every spritz thanks to a refreshing blend of lemon, rose petals, jasmine, violet leaves, and blonde woods. Ooh. Tip: apply a moisturizer or petroleum jelly to your pressure points before spraying on this fragrance so the scent will last longer. That's a good idea! I never thought of that. I might do that with my Judy Garland one so that it lasts even longer. So let's see. How do we smell? Because I have no chill and I need to know right now. Can't tell from that. This was half open anyway. Ooh, that smells like... What does that smell like? I feel like I've encountered something very, very similar to that scent before, but I don't know that I can put my finger on what, but it smells really familiar. Okay, then we have a little quad. We got a quad. Oh, look at those cute colors. So, this is by, oh wait, this is the wrong card. PYT Beauty, the Upcycle Eyeshadow Palette in Party in the Nude. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full size version is $34. This palette is the life of the party thanks to the 12 super saturated and ultra blendable shades. 12, huh? That's a funny way to count. 12 is a funny way of spelling 4. Saturated and ultra blendable shades ranging from neutral to vibrant. Plus the matte and shimmer finishes make it so easy to create endless looks for day and night on all skin tones. Tip, turn any of these shadows into a bold liquid liner by applying with a wet brush. Well, duh. So let's see. Okay, I guess that was just clear. I wasn't sure if there was like a hint or like a tint coming through, but look at that pink one. That pink shimmer. Loving that. Loving that. Here for it. So, okay. Then, ooh, what are we? We're dark, whatever we are. Or a lip scrub. Okay, so this is by, again, I pick up the wrong card. Kinder or Kinder Beauty lip scrub. This is full size, and it's $20, and it's very heavy. Say goodbye to dry, chapped, and peeling lips with this gentle exfoliating lip scrub. You'll be left with pillowy soft lips that make even the driest matte lipsticks look velvety smooth. Want to wear a matte lipstick? Use the scrub to prep your lips for smooth application. That's literally what it just said. Cool. Well, I'll stick it somewhere. I guess over here with several other lip scrubs that are literally right next to it. Okay, and then we have, is this our last product? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I guess so. So this is by Kinship, who I do enjoy. And this is their Super Mellow Hydrating Gel Cream. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $26. This fluffy gel moisturizer is filled with skin soothers and redness reducers like anti-inflammatory marshmallow root, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and amino acid-rich coconut water. For a cooled and calmed complexion with a radiant finish. Well, I don't know. This is a mistake. Why am I doing this to myself? Because I know if I'm gonna have an allergic reaction, I'll have it quickly. Whoop! Well, thankfully I don't smell the coconut water in there, but that don't mean shit. That don't mean shit. Well, it's kind of halfway down the list of ingredients. I don't know. I'm not sure what to make of that. I mean, maybe I'll react, maybe I won't. If I do, I give it to my mom. If I don't, I keep it and use it. But suppose we'll find out when the time comes. But I'm not doing that one yet. So we're just going to stick that over here and not think about it too much. But I have a feeling that one is going to cause a problem because I feel scratchiness already that fast just from sniffing it. Yeah, so, you know, it's like that. But anyway, so I'm gonna go before I, die from that. So, anyway, you know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.